hours later.
Really I know, man, it's about that time. I've been wanting to do something on the car for some time now, and I just got the chance to really do it, pretty much. So I decided I'm gonna change the headlights again. I didn't do, well, did I do a video when I changed them the first? I don't remember, but I haven't done a video in so long. But I'm gonna swap out these bad boys. I got some new ones, some new headlights dropped for E90, and I came across some cash and I was like, let me just splurge. So let me go show you what's up now. I couldn't help myself. I had to open the box and check. But I'm sure you guys seen these bad boys online. From Spec D. And these are the new E90 headlights. Yes, sir. So what I like with these bad boys, for one, they're projected in high beam and low beam. The ones that I have in the car right now are projected in the low beam only, not in the high beam. So that was one of my things. And I like the new sequential indicator light. The only thing I don't like with these bad boys is the orange side marker. But I mean, two things. I can either open the headlight, spray that black, or just leave it, probably, you know, have it for an accent color. But one thing for sure, I'm gonna coat out the side marker. I don't like that, I'm gonna coat it out, but probably do that in another video. Now I'm just gonna put in these bad boys. They did come with halogen bulb, so I ordered some LEDs to drop in, and they're the ones without the fan. So as you know, the back is sealed. You don't want the air coming, you know what that's like. You got all the water over here, so get the LEDs. Without the fan, both H7. Normally you would run H7 and then you would run H11, but both of them H7, so that's pretty good. But let me drop in these bad boys and then go take the front bumper off the car and get this going.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts feeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling.
Remember, positive would go for the green, negative the black.
Anything worth doing is a tough climb, and I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning.
After you drop in the bulbs, this bad boy, just stick it right on top right here. See this empty space right here? You drop it right there. It ain't gonna move, just right there, that's it. Connector is pretty much good and secure already, so that one is done. Now let's run through the other one. All right, so now that we're finished with the bulbs, take my stupid advice. Connect the headlights, disconnect your stock, connect them just to make sure everything is working quite fine. The low beam and the high beam is working good before you install them. Because trust me, you don't want those problems. Where we are on the project, bumpers off, headlights are out, time to put in the new headlights. Definitely need to get the car washed. But something else was out of place, but luckily I have the part to fix it, so I'm gonna put that in. So the headlights are in. Not bad at all. Just need to slap on the front bumper and we be done. and get the damn car washed. It really needs to be washed. So far so good. Insulation is finished. Probably go get the car washed. Yeah, I should do that. What I did that I like was in the car's interior. You see them orange light on the doors? Yeah. All right, we're done. She's all clean. It's crazy how a set of headlights can make a car look completely different, but here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that is nice. Oh, that's definitely nice. I'm definitely gonna code out the side markers though. I'm gonna code that out, but oh, that is sweet. Pretty much we came to the bay to come get a wash, but the boys are pretty much out. My boy with a nice fucking fitment and look at that shit. Jeez. Oh my God. Bruh, that fitment, it is nice. I'm not even gonna lie. The fitment is nice. Look at that. Everybody decided to come out tonight, apparently. The fuck? What? No way.